Today we want to know the provinces that had the most increase or decrease number of dead or injured people compared to last year. For this purpose, we should know the year-to-year change measure. In old version of Power BI, you had to write some code. However, in the new version of Power BI, you can do it easily and quickly using the Quick Measure tool. First of all, let's review the dataset specifications. Our dataset consists of 14 years of data including injured and dead people in traffic accident in Iran. Dead people are also shown here in three segments: urban area, intercity roads, and rural roads. Injured people are categorized in two segments, men and women. After loading data in Power BI and change the format of the columns, I define a measure using Quick Measure. I click on Quick Measure, then select year-over-year change. For base value, I add the column that want to calculate the percent of the change compared to last year. Now I click on total injured. For date, I add date column from table 1. Then I click add. If I want to see the percent of total injured people for every state, I can show it using clustered bar chart. I click on bar chart. Then add a state for y-axis and new measure, which is sum of total injured y percent for axis x. Then I go to format and turn on the data label and change the position of the data label, which the numbers seen better in chart. We can see that the bar chart shows the percent of change in 14 years. For example, for South Khorasan, it shows that the total number of injured people changed 13% in 2022 compared to 2009. If we want to see the percentage of change for every year, we can get help from a slicer. I click on a slicer, then I select year from table 1. As you can see, by selecting the year-over-year change of total injured people will be shown in bar chart. As you see, some provinces has experienced increase and some of them experienced decrease, which is shown by negative percentage. If we want our bar chart has a meaningful view, we can differentiate the decrease and increase by changing the color. I select bar chart, then I go to format, and in bar section I click on FX near the color of the bar. In this window I select rules, then I select the measure that I want to change its format. In here I select sum of total injured. If the value is bigger than or equal to the minimum and smaller than 0, then I change its color to green. If the value is smaller than maximum and bigger than 0, then I choose red. As we can see, in 2020, because of COVID restrictions, all provinces experienced decrease in number of injured people. And in 2021, all of them experienced growth in number of injured people. We can make another bar chart for year-over-year change of dead people in different years. I hope this video was useful for you and help you to analyze accident data by using different tools in Power BI. Next video, we will using a scatter chart to analyze men and women injured people in different provinces. If you have any suggestion or idea, comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel.